Welcome to this tutorial. I will show you some basic and important essential command as a beginner everyone should know. We are in the terminal. Clear the screen. Let's see what is here. Type ls. ls is going to list. So here we see nothing. So I'm going to create a file. Touch is the command to create a file. Okay, let's say file name is file.txt. I can create one file. I can also create two files. Anyway, one file. And now I can type ls. So I can see the file is created and it is you can see it. If I type ls space hyphen and l, it gives us a detail list. Okay, list details that about file, about information about file. Left side you can see any information. This is details. This is time. This is user and group. And this is file permission. This permission for group and this is for others. And this is blank. It is a file. Okay, now I'm going to create a directory mkdir. It's a dir. Okay, now again type ls list. You see it is showing dir and file is here. Now I'm going to type ls space l. Now you can see directory, it shows D. It is directory. This is permission for user, group and others. Okay. Now this is user and this is group. Clear the screen. So you have to know command ls minus this details list or long list clear. This three command is very important. Okay, ls list, ls space list details, a long list clear. So three commands. Now I'm going to show you another command. It is cd. cd means change directory. You can see that this is a directory. I want to enter. How to enter? I will write cd and this directory name and press enter. You can see I am now here in the directory and here it is tutorial. Now if you type print working directory, you can see it is showing whole path till dir directory. We are here. Okay, and if we want to leave or go back, what we have to type cd space 1 dot 2 dot, press enter. Now you see we are in the tutorial directory. Now type print working directory, it will show the full path. We are in the print working directory. Okay, is it clear? Clear the screen. ls minus hyphen l, and we want to enter forward one step for directory cd space dir and print working directory. Okay, and if we want to leave this or go back, type cd 2 dot and press enter, print working directory. You see, this is for beginner very important. Now I'm going to type another thing, that cd space and this just minus, press enter. What do we see? We see print working directory. We see we entered one directory forward. Okay, and if we want to leave this directory, go back, cd space 2 dot. Clear the screen. Type ls l. Okay, now if I want to check path print working directory, type press enter. You see we are here, home, mahin and tutorial, we are here. Now I want to enter here. I'm going to type cd space here. Yes, we are here. This is how to use some basic command. Another cd command I will type. Let's say cd space and forward slash and press enter. Now I want to see where I am. Print working directory. This is actually root. I am now root, in the root. Alright. So if you type cd forward slash, it will take you to the root. Now I want to come tutorial here. cd space home mahin tutorial. Okay, this is my folder. I was there. Print working directory. Okay. So basically this command you have to practice, that ls space l, clear screen, cd cd space and cd forward slash, it will take to the root. Okay, this is some basic command you have to know, must know. Clear screen. Now I'm going to type another thing. Print working directory ls l. Okay, we see we are in this path and we have two. One is directory, one is file. Okay, now I'm going to type one command tree. If I type tree, you can see it is showing this info in content in tree view. Okay, and this is a directory and this is a file. So usually it consider all a directory and one file. Now if I create another file, touch file 1.txt and tree, you see tree. Okay, now I want to go inside dir and I want to create a file there. Touch file.txt. Okay, check this new file. Let's say cat. Okay, dog. Okay, print lsl is here. Clear. Now type cd and space 2 dot. I am now in the tutorial. Now type here lsl. We see we have here, right, one directory to find. Now I'm going to type tree. You can see that this is directory and it has the file, one file, so it is showing in tree view. Okay, ls space l a mean all. When I type all, it will also show some hidden, anything hidden it will show. Okay, understood? A. If I type ls space l long or details I mean inode. Every file or directory we create, it has inode. So it has inode. So this number showing left side, this is inode for this I. Okay, every file or folder you will see a unique number. All right, this is essential, important Linux command. All beginner you should know and practice. Clear the screen, and thank you to watch. Thank you. Any question you may comment, or if you see any mistake you may notice. Thank you very much.